Good morning. Today is a very beautiful Sunday. Okay, today I came a bit earlier, so I managed to catch the sunrise. The sun is rising now, so I show you the live scenery for the sunrise over here, which is very beautiful. You can see the sky. You see the cloud. Okay, the cloud is such unique and special today. Okay, so I try to zoom the sunrise. Okay, now you can see the sun is almost covering by the cloud, but the sun is trying its best, try to emerge, okay, and shine. So it's just like we all human beings. During our difficulty, like now, okay, COVID season, okay, everywhere the economy is not good, isn't it? All the economy affected, and business also not doing well due to COVID-19, especially those involve the tourism. I think over here we can feel that the tourists become less and less. Okay, it's not that they don't want to come, it's because of the country's rules and regulation not allow them to travel, okay, to other countries. So that is why the tourism industry are badly affected by the COVID-19. Okay, so during the difficult time, we must try to be very patient, okay, and try to struggle, work hard, and find alternative solution, so that we can be very successful one day after COVID-19 disappear. So we have to struggle, okay, sometimes when we are down. So life is sometimes up, sometimes down, so it's normal. So after this year, hopefully next year everything will be okay, I guess so, because the COVID-19 is a seasoning virus. It will go off one day, but I'm not sure when. Maybe it take about 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so let it be. We just bear for it temporary. Okay, so now I think the sun is seems like covered by the cloud, so it's not so bright. It's okay, so I think I'll show you the sky here. Okay, it's quite clear, and over there is a bit cloudy, and I show you the scenery around here. This is jungle. Okay, now I show you the sky up there. You can sometimes we need to relax our eyes, because we used to watch near distance, okay, that cause stress to our eye. Okay, we spend time for reading, or maybe doing homework, or maybe watch YouTube. Okay, all these will actually cause our eye tired easily, so we must know how to take care of our eyes. Look further, okay, relax our eyes, and okay, sometimes we need to rest, close our eye, and have a rest, have a good rest. Okay, so after you rest, you can have energy. Okay, and we can perform better. Okay, until here, that's my sharing for today. I hope this sharing will help you to be better, to be a better person. Okay, so maybe I just wait for a while, see the sunrise, because now seems like the cloud is everywhere. The cloud is quite thick now. Okay, for today's. Okay, so if the cloud is too thick, it will cover the sun, and then the weather will looks very I mean it looks darker a bit lah, not so bright. Oh, that's not so good for today. It seems like going to rain, maybe later. Okay, so but I think it depends. Okay, the weather, it depends. Okay, we can't say anything. The probability for rain today is 1/2. It's either rain or not rain. Okay, so I guess I take more picture to show you. Okay, more video so that you can relax yourself. Today very less monkey here. I'm not sure where are all the monkey. I think they are hiding somewhere. Okay, because the sun is not beautiful, sunrise is not so beautiful. Okay, so they are actually still sleeping, I guess. You can hear the sound of the insect, right? Okay, so let's have a look here. Okay, let me walk one round. Okay, and then show you the condition here. So every Sunday I will spend my morning times here. So this is a good place for me to take a break. Okay, so now this is a green tree here. Okay, now I'm going down the hill. Okay, so this part is the place whereby I spot many monkeys here, but today I hardly to see any one of them. Okay, now I'm going down step by step. Okay, so the tree here are quite old. As you can see, the trunk there is quite, I mean, you can tell us the age of the tree here, but it still grow well. And here is also okay, a special place in this jungle, because you can see the scenery down there. You can see all the houses down there. Okay, and then for me, this Ipoh, this is Ipoh, one of the town in Malaysia. Okay, Ipoh is located at Perak, and Ipoh is a very nice place. You know why? Because it's surrounded by the mountain everywhere. When you look around, you'll see all the mountain around the city of Ipoh. So this is a very nice place for you to retire, because its environment is very healthy, and it's a very clean city, very clean, and the people here are very nice. Okay, I'm telling you the truth. The people here are well educated, and then they are doing quite well their business all the while. Okay, so they also quite civic minded. They know how to respect the tourists. They know how to, they love the animals. Okay, so it's a nice place. Okay, now show you the environment here. Okay, just now I say Ipoh is a nice place. You can see all the people here are nice, and the place is nice, people are nice. Okay, so if you're really free one day, you want to come for travel, you can come and visit here Ipoh, and you just listen to my advice. You will not regret if you reach Ipoh. Okay, so now I'm showing you the scenery here, which is you can see the house over there and the mountain. Alright, so now I'm going down step by step. This is the stone surrounded the mountain. As I said, the stone here are very hard. The rock very hard. Okay, so these are the tree. Okay, so now I show you again. I want to have a look of the sunrise again. You know why? Because I can see the weather turns bright now, so I climb up again. Okay, so sometimes we need to be patient if you want to see the nice scenery of the sunrise. Okay, yeah, you can see here the sunlight is actually travel along a straight line, and then you can see the reflection there when it touched the camera, right? So now I try to show you the sky up there so that you can view far so that your eye will relax. Okay, so this is the sky. Okay, now yeah, one more step. Okay, finally I reach here. Wow, the sun is rising so high here. Okay, now I take again the video for sunrise. Okay, wow, it's so bright. After I left a few seconds, you see or not? Ah, it's beautiful. You can see the sky here. Okay, again I show you the sunrise. It's nice, so brightly. Okay, now I try to climb up to have a clearer picture, clearer sunrise. It's blocking by the tree. Let me show you. Okay, I go down a bit here. Oh, this is the best place to take the sunrise. Wow. Oh. Okay, you can see that the sun is rising. Okay, further up, and then you can see the housing there. Okay, I show you, these are the house. Okay, these are the house. Okay, let me enlarge. Oh, that is the maximum size. Okay, so again, we just have a peace and enjoy the sunrise. Okay, we stop here. See you next time. Bye. Have a nice day.